Hi, this is Mike Middleman, your personal career coach. I help people get top jobs in financial services. Today, I'll be talking about how to find your friends' first connections on LinkedIn who work at a particular company and how you can approach your friend to get a networking call. Most people search by companies and see if they know anyone that works there. Call that top down. However, sometimes you're better off searching the connections of your friends first and going bottom up. So let's assume your friend wants to help you, but calling them and asking them who they know at, say, PayPal really won't be super effective, since who can remember everyone they know at a company, especially with people changing jobs all the time? So let's dig in. So let's assume I have a friend named Jenna, and I'm curious, does Jenna know anyone at my target companies? So I have a list of target companies that's maybe 20 to 30 companies long, and I want to know whether she knows anybody at PayPal, maybe the company I really want to work for. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up Jenna's profile. I'm going to view her entire profile. And if you can see right below her name, it shows the number of connections she has, and it shows them in blue. Now, number one, you have to be first connected with somebody. I need to be first connected with Jenna for me to be able to see her connections. And number two, Jenna has to have enabled people to see her connections, which most people do. So I'm going to click on the number of connections. And what I'm now seeing is a list of all of different Jenna's connections. In order so I can see those connections that I am personally first, second, and third connected with, I'm going to go to the connections button, and I'm going to click on number 3 and make sure all 3 of them are shown. So now we can see we have 356 results, but I only care about the people that actually work at PayPal. So I'm going to go to current company, bubble up here. I'm going to add in PayPal. We're going to show results. And now we can see that Jenna knows 18 people at PayPal. That's fantastic. Now, of course, I may not want to have a conversation with many of them. Let's assume I'm in marketing. I may want to speak to people in marketing or in product. I may not want to speak to somebody who's in the legal department or who's in another department I might not be interested in. So my suggestion is highlight 5 or 6 people that you would want to meet. Now, the key at this point is not just to call up Jenna and say, hey, Jenna, I've identified a bunch of people in your network. Let me read you their names. Could you possibly set up a call for me with them? It's not going to be the most efficient way to do it. The most efficient way to do it is do exactly what we're doing here. Set up a Zoom call with Jenna, go through the exact same exercise that we're going through now, and actually show Jenna on the screen all of the 18 results and highlight those people that you want to meet. See, this way, Jenna will have much better recognition, because when you give someone names over a telephone call, recognition is only so good. But because we're human and we like to see things, when I show Jenna her name, the names of people that I want to meet, there's recognition because of the picture and because of the name. So now I would highlight the people on this list who I would want to meet, and hopefully Jenna knows one of those 5 or 6 different people, but at least we have the pictorial in front of her and we have the name in front of her so that we increase the chances that she'll know somebody. If she knows somebody, perfect. Then you ask her to get in touch with that person, however she wants to, Zoom, telephone, email, and set up a conversation. I hope you found this video on identifying your friends' first connections who work at a particular company like PayPal and how to ask your friend for help to set up a networking call. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and download my cheat sheet to getting found by the right recruiters on LinkedIn. Thanks.